If your idea of airport magic is just boarding a plane, you're missing the real show. The ramp is the ultimate backstage pass to the world of aviation. It's where planes are prepped, refueled, and loaded with cargo and passengers. Imagine a bustling hive where every worker has a crucial role, from marshalers guiding aircraft with pinpoint accuracy to ramp agents handling baggage like seasoned pros. Teamwork is everything here. Safety isn't just a priority, it's a mantra. Reflective vests, constant radio communication, and precise choreography keep everyone and everything moving smoothly. And let's not forget the ground support vehicles. Tugs, belt loaders, and fuel trucks are the unsung heroes, ensuring each flight is ready for takeoff. Ramp operations may seem chaotic, but it's actually a well-oiled machine. Every action, every signal, and every piece of equipment is part of a synchronized dance, ensuring flights depart on time and safely. So next time you fly, think about the incredible teamwork on the ramp. That's where the real aviation magic happens. Catch you on the next flight.